In the last video, I told you what VocaiQ is, an AI voice agent that answers your calls, books real appointments, updates your CRM, and works 24/7. Today, I want to show you exactly how that works, using a real conversation, broken down moment by moment, so you can see what's actually happening underneath when someone calls. The call you're about to hear is between a homeowner with a cottage on Georgian Bay calling a kitchen renovation business after hours. He has a few questions. He'll switch languages mid-call. He'll book an appointment. Watch what the agent actually does, layer by layer. Most of this happens in under a second. The call connects. Here's the agent's opening line.
Hi, you've reached Northern Living Kitchens. I'm the virtual assistant. I answer after hours or when the team can't pick up. This call may be recorded. How can I help you today?
3 things happened in that one line. The agent identified itself as an AI. The caller knows up front. That's not a regulatory checkbox. It's how a serious product behaves. The recording notice is given. And the agent invited the caller in without scripting them into a menu.
Hey, yeah, hi. My name is Andrew. I have a cottage on Georgian Bay, and I'm looking at redoing the kitchen. So I just had a couple of quick questions.
Go ahead and ask your questions, Andrew. I'm here to help. Before we dive in, I just want to confirm. I have you down as Andrew, and your phone number is +18733777524, correct?
The response came in under a second, fast enough that the conversation feels natural and uninterrupted. Listen to what the agent does next. Andrew is a new caller. The system did not recognize his number, so the agent captured his name and phone and confirmed both back to him. That's the new lead path. If Andrew had been a returning customer mid-project, the system would have recognized his number on the first ring and pulled up his record. The agent would already know his name, what's been quoted, what's been installed, where he is in your pipeline. New caller, the agent treats it as a fresh lead, captures the name and number, and continues.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for confirming. So do you guys handle full kitchen renovations as well, or do you only do the cabinets themselves?
Andrew asks a real question. Does this business do full kitchen renovations or only cabinets? Here's the answer.
At Northern Living Kitchens, we actually offer a range of services, including full kitchen renovations, cabinet design and installation, as well as other related services like countertops, lighting, and plumbing fixtures. We work closely with homeowners, builders, and designers to bring their kitchen visions to life. Would you like me to tell you more about our services, or perhaps schedule a consultation with one of our specialists?
The agent didn't improvise that. Every business uploads its own knowledge base, services, products, pricing tiers, lead times. Thousands of items if you need it. The agent reads from it and speaks naturally. No human holds a 5,000 product catalog in their head. Now watch what happens when the caller switches languages.
Okay, got it. Actually, quick question. Do you speak French at all?
Oui, I can certainly try to help in French, if that would be more comfortable for you, Andrew.
Je voulais juste savoir si je pouvais aussi parler français avec vous au besoin.
Bien sûr, Andrew. Oui, je peux communiquer en français si vous préférez. Je vais essayer de répondre à vos questions dans les 2 langues, selon vos besoins. Pour revenir à votre projet de rénovation de cuisine, qu'est-ce que vous aimeriez savoir en particulier? Les matériaux, les délais, les coûts?
Mid-sentence. No rerouting. No please hold for a French-speaking agent. No separate phone tree. The agent switched with the caller and continued the same conversation, with the same context, on the same call. Over 100 languages mid-call switching. Nothing else on the market is matching this in this class.
Awesome. That's great to know. Okay, back to English then. So could I come in for a design consultation about the cabinets?
Before we book a consultation, can you tell me a bit more about your project? For example, do you have a specific timeline in mind for the renovation, or any particular style or materials you're interested in for your cabinets? Also, would you prefer to come into our showroom for the consultation?
Monday morning works best for me. Would 10 o'clock be open?
10 o'clock on Monday morning is available, Andrew. I can book that for you. I'll go ahead and confirm the appointment. We'll schedule a design consultation for Monday, September 28th at 10 a.m. I'll send a confirmation text message to your phone with the details. You should see it in a moment. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss or prepare before our consultation?
Andrew asked for an appointment. The agent recognized the booking intent and checked real calendar availability, not "will call you back to schedule." Live calendar lookup. In real time, mid-conversation. Here's the moment everything comes together. Three things just happened simultaneously. A real calendar event was created. The CRM contact was updated with the full transcript. An SMS confirmation went out to the caller's phone. None of it manual, none of it after the call cleanup. All of it during the call, finished by the time the caller hung up. 228 seconds. One conversation. Disclosed AI, caller recognized, products explained, languages switched, appointment booked, CRM filled, SMS confirmed. No human picked up the phone. No human cleaned up after. This is what a voice agent sounds like when it operates at a quality the caller forgets they're not talking to a person. If you want to hear this conversation unedited from start to finish, I'm releasing the full 228-second call as a separate piece. Link is in the description, and there will be a card on this video. In the next episode, I'll walk you through what onboarding actually looks like. Real screenshots, real steps, so you can see exactly how a business goes from no agent to a live one answering calls.